Are you interested in making money online through affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a type of online marketing where you promote other people's products and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of affiliate marketing, provide a straightforward 3-step guide on how to get started, and discuss the top 5 affiliate marketing platforms. We'll also examine the drawbacks and rewards of each platform, helping you make an informed decision. Affiliate marketing presents numerous advantages that make it an appealing business model for aspiring entrepreneurs. Let's look into the tempting benefits that await those who launch on this path. Firstly, one of the most attractive aspects of affiliate marketing is its low-cost nature. Unlike traditional businesses, affiliate marketing demands minimal investment. You can jump right in without the need to create your products or services, worry about inventory management, or handle unmanageable shipping processes. This cost-effective approach enables individuals to start their entrepreneurial journey without significant financial barriers. Secondly, affiliate marketing liberates you from the constraints of expertise. Regardless of your background or field of knowledge, you can engage in affiliate marketing by promoting products that resonate with your audience. This versatility allows you to explore various niches and capitalize on the interests and needs of your target market, expanding your earning potential. It's worth noting that affiliate marketing is a profitable billion-dollar industry. The increasing growth of this sector is undeniable with its immense potential for profitability. By becoming an affiliate marketer, you can tap into this lucrative market and carve out your piece of the pie. Another advantage of affiliate marketing is the prospect of generating passive income. Once you have established your affiliate links and effectively promoted the products, you can sit back and watch your earnings grow without exerting additional effort. This passive income stream provides financial stability and empowers you to pursue other ventures or enjoy a flexible lifestyle. Speaking of flexibility, affiliate marketing offers unparalleled freedom in terms of work location and schedule. Whether you prefer working from the comfort of your home, a coffee shop, or a tropical paradise, you have the freedom to choose your workspace. Additionally, you can dictate your hours, allowing you to strike a harmonious balance between your personal life and professional hustle. To start affiliate marketing, here are the 3 simple steps to do. Selecting the right niche is the foundation of a successful affiliate marketing strategy. Start by identifying your interests, passions, and areas of expertise. Consider what topics resonate with you and what products or services align with your brand. By choosing a niche that you are genuinely interested in, you'll find it easier to create engaging content and connect with your audience. Next, conduct thorough market research to evaluate the potential of your chosen niche. Identify the target audience's size, their pain points, and the demand for products or services within the niche. Using keyword research tools and analyzing competitors can provide valuable insights into the market's competitiveness and opportunities for growth. Remember, selecting a niche with a large audience is crucial, but also consider its profitability and competition level. Striking a balance between your interests and market demand will enable you to create compelling content that converts effectively. Once you have chosen your niche, it's time to find suitable affiliate programs. There are various ways to discover affiliate programs that align with your niche and offer attractive commissions. Start by conducting online research using search engines, affiliate networks, and directories. Look for reputable affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareSale, which offer a wide range of products across multiple industries. Explore their product categories to find relevant offerings within your niche. Additionally, reach out directly to companies or brands that align with your niche. Many businesses, including small and medium-sized enterprises, have their affiliate programs. Contact them to inquire about their affiliate opportunities, commission rates, and promotional support. Building direct relationships with companies can often lead to more personalized partnerships and potentially higher commission rates. When evaluating affiliate programs, consider factors such as commission rates, cookie duration, the time window in which you can earn a commission after a user clicks your affiliate link, payment methods, and affiliate support. Look for programs that offer competitive commissions, long cookie durations, and reliable payment systems to maximize your earning potential. Promoting products effectively is the core of successful affiliate marketing. Once you have chosen your niche and joined relevant affiliate programs, it's time to create compelling content that engages your audience and drives conversions. Number 1. Content creation. Create high-quality content that educates, entertains, and provides value to your audience. Consider leveraging various formats such as blog posts, videos, podcasts, or social media posts to cater to different consumption preferences. Tailor your content to address your audience's pain points answer their questions, and present products or services as effective solutions. Remember to maintain authenticity and transparency in your content. Be honest about your affiliations and disclose that you may earn commissions from the promoted products. Building trust with your audience is essential for long-term success in affiliate marketing. Number 2. SEO optimization. Optimize your content for search engines to increase your visibility and attract organic traffic. Conduct keyword research to identify relevant keywords and incorporate them naturally into your content. Focus on creating informative, well-structured, and keyword-rich content that resonates with both search engines and your target audience. Number 3. Social media promotion. Leverage the power of social media platforms to amplify your reach and engage with your audience. Create dedicated social media profiles for your affiliate marketing venture and share your content regularly. Engage with your followers, respond to comments, and encourage discussions to foster an active and supportive community. Number 4. Email marketing. Build an email list to nurture relationships with your audience and promote relevant products or services. Offer valuable content upgrades or exclusive offers to encourage visitors to subscribe to your mailing list. Send regular newsletters, personalized recommendations, and promotional emails to keep your subscribers engaged and informed about the latest products or offers. Number 5. Track and optimize. Regularly monitor the performance of your affiliate marketing efforts. Utilize analytics tools provided by affiliate networks or third-party tracking software to track clicks, conversions, and earnings. Analyze the data to identify successful strategies and areas for improvement. Experiment with different promotional techniques, content formats, and product offerings to optimize your campaigns and maximize your conversions. Here are the top 5 best sites for affiliate marketing. Number 1. Amazon Associates. One of the largest affiliate programs in the world with millions of products to promote. Pros include a wide range of products, high commissions, and a trusted brand. Cons include low commission rates for some products and a short cookie duration. Number 2. ClickBank. A popular affiliate network that specializes in digital products. Pros include high commission rates, a large selection of products, and easy payment options. Cons include low quality products and a lack of support. Number 3. ShareASale. A popular affiliate network that offers a wide range of products to promote. Pros include high commission rates, good support, and a user-friendly interface. Cons include a lack of transparency and a high minimum payout threshold. Number 4. CJ Affiliate. A large affiliate network that offers a wide range of products to promote. Pros include high commission rates, good support, and a large selection of products. Cons include a complex interface and a high minimum payout threshold. Number 5. Rakuten Marketing. A popular affiliate network that offers a wide range of products to promote. Pros include high commission rates, good support, and a user-friendly interface. Cons include a lack of transparency and a high minimum payout threshold. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online. By following these simple steps and finding the right affiliate programs, you can earn commissions on sales made through your unique affiliate link. Remember to choose a niche, find affiliate programs, and promote products effectively. With these steps, you can become a successful affiliate marketer. If you like this video, you're in a treat with another one to help you learn the secrets to financial freedom.